Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix an application error, which is the instruction at 0x80's reference memory at 0x80's. The memory could not be written or read in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is here at the bottom search bar, please type for CMD and wait for a system called command prompt will appear at the best match. Here you need to go with run as administrator. User account control will ask you to say yes, just go with yes so that you would be able to give permission on running this command prompt as administrator. Okay? Here please type sfc space forward slash scan now. The moment you've typed that, please press enter to proceed. And this will do system scanning and this process will take some time. Okay. It might take 5 to 8 minutes or less than that. It would be depend on your computer machine. Okay. Just have to leave this command prompt window open unless you are done. Okay. So just have to leave this command prompt window open. Don't close it and then don't turn off your computer as well. Okay. So be patient and please put a lot of the patience with this since it will take some time, okay? But definitely it will be worth it since it will definitely fix your problem, okay? So let's say that you're done. Please close this window and then here at the bottom search bar, we'll be navigating the same process, which is we need to search for CMD again. So this is the second step once you are done with the first, okay? So I will not wait until the verification will be done so that we can proceed to the second step. Okay. So just have to go with run as administrator once again. And then your account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you would be able to open this window again called command prompt. Where here you need to type a command which is this DISM space forward slash online space forward slash clean up dash image space forward slash restore health. Okay, just type it here. In my case, let me just paste it here, edit, then paste. Okay, and the moment you have the typed it, just have to click on error, and this will restore the health of your computer. This will do deployment image servicing and management tool, and this again process will take some time. Okay, please don't close this command prompt window. Okay, and then leave this open unless you are done. Okay, so this will take some time, maybe 5 to 6 minutes or less than that, depending on your computer. Okay, so once you're done, simply close this window, and then this is the time that you need to restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, just have to check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this it's two steps helps you to fix your problem, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.